Brands that I'm not using. Is that correct? Um, okay. It depends on what brand it is. Suppose এখন যদি আমাকে কথার কথা ভিভো এসে বলে মেক আ ভিডিও তোমাকে আমি এত টাকা দিব, আমি ওকে বলবো যে শিওর আমি নিব, but I can't say it in my video that I use this regularly. I can't say oh my god, this has the best camera ever. No, I can't because I'm pretty sure even if it does, I'm biased towards whatever the phone I am using. Unless iPhone আমাকে কোনো sponsorship, I don't think it anytime soon. Bangladesh এটা কি আর হবে. So there's that. But regarding a lot of other things, I don't promote any skincare that I don't use. I used to. There was a time when I did. I'm not gonna lie here saying, nah, of course we all do things we are not proud of. I did that. And I stopped doing that. I don't promote clothing brands that I don't wear. I don't promote jewelries that I don't wear. Anything. And honestly, আমার এই কনজিউমারিজমের ব্যাপারটা না আমার এখন আর ইদানিং জমতেছে না। And TikTok made me buy a lot of things. Last month, I'm sure I had this conversation with someone. Wow, these girlies are using so many things, and trust me, those reviews were authentic. And ওটা দেখে আমি আরো ইন্সপায়ার হয়েছি, ভাই আমি আমার জীবনে আর এমন কোনো জিনিস কিনতে কাউকে ইনফ্লুয়েন্স করবো না যেটা আমার জন্য কাজ করে না, because of them I got to use a lot of good products. And এখন currently I am planning on de-influencing my audience to stop doing this জিনিস, ফ্যান্সি জিনিস, এটা এই একটা মেডিকিউর ডিভাইস দেখছে এটা কিনতে হবে না, ইউ ডোন্ট নিড দ্যাট, কিচ্ছু লাগবে না, এগুলো লাগে না তোমাদের, এগুলোতে টাকা অপচয় করা বন্ধ করো। থ্যাংক ইউ
so much. And the first question, so that's for both of you as a content creator. How you gonna deal with the red flags of your brand promotion and brand collaboration?
রেড ফ্ল্যাগস তো সবারই ডিল করতেছি, আর মানে there are so many red flags, you have to be specific যে exactly কোন ব্যাপারটা।
Okay, so there are some payment issues. There are some issues like I heard it throughout your content, some of you, that brands, they're like multinational brands, they're delaying their payment for months. You guys are checking out on them, they're not giving the payment. Then how you want to deal with that fact for both of you?
আচ্ছা, সো মাল্টিন্যাশনাল ব্র্যান্ডস ইন জেনারেল, আমি জানি না আসলে এটা কতটুকু সত্যি নাকি আমাকে পট্টি বানানো হয়েছে, আমাকে মানে as far as I know, multinational brands have this 45 days 60 days payment একটা সাইকেল BS. আমি যেটা করি, for me I have everything written in a work order, a time to time, date to date. I take 50% advance, 50 আমি পরে নেই. Sometimes some people delay that. মাঝে মাঝে অ্যাকচুয়ালি ব্র্যান্ডের এন্ড থেকে ডিলে হয়, মাঝে মাঝে এজেন্সির এন্ড থেকে ডিলে হয়, অ্যান্ড তখন আমি মানুষজনের সাথে স্ট্রিক্ট হতে চেয়েও হতে পারি না, which is why একটা ম্যানেজার খুবই জরুরি. You have to have someone who's playing the bad cop.
I think it's the same thing what Saba said. Your contract needs to be airtight. Look, this is the world that we live in. আমি অস্ট্রেলিয়া থেকে আসার সময়, like it's the best facilities, they have the best lawyers, law offices, and it's airtight. It's like US but better. So I got, আমি যে থিয়েটারে কাজ করতাম, they didn't pay almost $5,000, and even with that, আমি
5,000
applied for the case, ওরা বলছে এটা না পাওয়ার চান্স আছে, I had like 200 pages screenshot, whatever. So I don't want to dishearten anyone of you, and eventually case I mean Harsi, even after all the evidence that I had, right? But I don't want to dishearten people, because look, this is the reality. So kharab kintu hobe no matter where you are, is how you choose to see it and how you choose to deal with it. Saba jerkom bolche, if you have an airtight contract and if you can chase things down, then you can't be bulletproof, you can't be waterproof. Tomar gaye moila lagbe, It's just that তুমি কত ময়লা না লাগাইতে পারো, so you wear a raincoat, you do your own protection and due diligence, and after that যা হতে হবে. So but having said that, there's more good than bad in the world, so don't be disheartened.
Thank you so much, guys.
And I think I just wanted to say another thing. I think one of the things TikTok also did, Sabaj, last question যেটা ওখানে answer করতে ছিল, if you're a business owner or a creator, it's a very nice place because you guys put in shops and the way like you're selling through content. Sabaj এর সাথে agree করে consumerism অনেক খরচ করে ফেলি, but if you are, there's also opportunity there. If you're a business owner, then you're going straight to your consumers. So that's one way of thinking about it, because it's not just content creation is not fun and games. Gurifir, at the end of the day, magic for me is also babsha. So you can also see it that way, no matter which line you guys are in, and these are opportunities you can take advantage of.
Thank you so much, guys. Let's give them a big round of applause.